Making Wales Work, Plaid Cymru's new economic plan outlines the approach that Plaid Cymru will take on our economy. A thriving economy, one that delivers a decent and sustainable standard of living for everyone, from my hometown of Pencoed to Holyhead on Ynys Môn, from Pwllheli to Abergavenny, and everywhere in between, can only be built on solid foundations. But Labour have let those foundations weaken and crumble. This plan sets out how we will fix them. It's about putting wealth back into and making it work for our communities in a way that grows and sustains Welsh-owned businesses, delivers high-quality, high-paying jobs, thriving town centres, and an improved standard of living. This plan makes it clear that control over our resources, including the Crown Estates, is central to delivering a just transition that delivers new opportunities in the green economy. It outlines how we can ensure that people are primed with the skills they need to get ahead and make the most of these opportunities. And it shows how innovation in this economy can be better supported. Efforts to both grow and green the economy will be given renewed impetus by a new National Development Agency and a reformed development bank, creating a real one-stop shop for those looking to take their business to the next stage and ensuring that successful businesses stay here in Wales. 2026 offers us an opportunity to change course, to deliver a vision and a set of concrete policies that will have positive and far-reaching consequences for people the length and breadth of Wales. Making Wales Work is about creating an economy that really works for everyone in every part of Wales. And we are ready to begin the work of delivering it now.